Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change username in Windows 11. It's really simple and easy. So the first step is go to the Windows icon on your taskbar and then type in control panel. Once you go to the control panel, look for the user account option. So you will see the user account option available out here. Now you can tap on this manage another account. So now there is an option called change the account name. Click on that, and the new account name, let's keep it to Horera here. So now it's Horera. Then I'll click on change name. Now in order for the name to get reflected, we have to go and sign in. So here you will see your name. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to change username in Windows 11. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.